Okay, I am going to attempt some crafting. In order to do crafting, I have very much crafted my look. I clearly have crafted a really good hairstyle for this, and I've crafted some pretty inspiring makeup looks, and I crafted an excellent wardrobe choice as well because I want to look the finest for this. I think I'm going to try to make some dinosaur planters. Not very original because I've seen these everywhere online, but I don't care about originality. I just want a little dinosaur affection. I'm going to use some crafting supplies that I have stolen from a friend, some paint, and a heat gun, and a unassembled Dremel tool, and a whole host of paints that I don't think I need. I don't know what these are for. I don't actually need these for my craft because I'm going to use real plants. So, yeah, I'm sure this is what they were intended for. I didn't put this goodie bag together. I probably should just heat gun this to my head so it stays. Yeah, there we go. And I guess these are the tools. What else is in here? I really hope that this is clay, like super sculpey clay, and that these aren't just like flesh bits that have come off of a human that were thrown in here. And maybe I shouldn't name names about who I borrowed this bag from, but I feel like that would be a sign of confession that my friends are into questionable hobbies. Okay, I'm gonna try this one. I never used any of these ever. Oh, 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 oh. I'm not actually trying to show you my butt. This is awkward. That was an awkward shot, but it was artistic because there was a lens flare. I'm gonna start with the easy one first. This guy. I don't think I need to use the heat gun on him. Okay. How do I cut into him? I need like a saw. Is there a saw attachment? I need like a little bzzz. I probably should have specifically said what I was trying to do and asked what those attachments would be. I may have to phone a friend. Have I already failed? I can't even see what I'm doing. Is there no cutting or saw attachment for the Dremel tool? Question mark. Waiting for answers. Ah! Oh no! I have failed. I clearly don't know what a Dremel tool is. I know it's for sculpting things, but I thought it might have that kind of attachment. Okay, I'm not going to do this craft right now. So instead, I'll just have to find other uses for you guys. No, there's already too much division in this world. You guys must find ways to love each other. There you go. Embrace. You will embrace while I embrace the fact that I can't do my craft until I come up with appropriate tools, preferably not scissors. Maybe I'll just use the heat gun and melt you into a like Salvador Dali melting dino masterpiece. And just make a sculpture instead. Okay, I've come up with an alternative that's probably a really, really bad idea. I was going to call this a razor blade, but I think it's actually an X-Acto knife. I don't X-Acto know what I'm doing. He's really soft, so I'm just going to go for it. Yeah, I'm going to go for it. Goodbye, little guy. Ah! Did I cut too much of you? Oh my goodness, this looks really bad. I'm sorry I'm experimenting with you, little guy. Good thing you only cost $1. This might be a better choice for you. Just put dangerous sharp objects in front of you. Craft complete. I had to turn the camera off because I didn't want you to see how dangerous I was being with the dinosaur. No, with the X-Acto knife, and how I kept seeming to be reminisce? What am I saying? Remiss. I had to turn it off because I didn't want you to see how remiss I was that I didn't have a saw and kept trying to like saw with the X-Acto knife instead of drag it along. I didn't want you to see how dangerous I was and how many times I probably almost cut myself. But I definitely cut the dinosaur. Not professionally done, but here he is. Craft complete. This is how the dinosaurs actually went extinct. A massive amount of heat concentrated directly on them. I think I'm going to try to soften this plastic because this guy's really hard. This T-Rex is pretty hardcore, and then I can maybe cut through with it as well. I'm hoping that I don't just completely melt him and create Salvador Dali's art. Here's hoping. So soft, I think. Probably shouldn't put this directly on carpet. Time for your operation. Oh my gosh, it's totally working. He was so hard, and now he's soft. You smell like a burnt dinosaur. Should have thought about what kind of plant I want in you before I cut you. I may have to adapt you. All right, little guy. You ready to get primed? I'm gonna prep you, give you a prep base coat. Prepping you for your soldiery. La da da la da da da. I'm a dinosaur. I'm a dinosaur. Do 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 do. Dinosaur. This is going to be very difficult. Show that I'm putting clear coat on it. Now that is about all I care about. That's about all I care about. Normally I would not condone, I'm not going to disclose where I live, but stealing succulents off the side of the road. However, these are kind of dying. So I'm giving it new hope, a second chance at life. And also, we're still at like shelter at home, so it's not like I can just go to the local home depot to get plants. So run! Don't film the evidence. I'm just kidding. I relish life of crime. But he's gonna go in the dinosaur. Hope the plant doesn't go extinct like the dinosaur.
And Taco steals plants.
Giving it a second chance at life. There's a difference. Get your vernacular right. Taking a little bit of earth. Came from the earth. Go back to the earth. Definitely am doing this out of order though, because I didn't even finish putting the polyurethane layer on. But I realized I think the plant prematurely. No. Gonna get caught. Oh, it's just somebody that also is probably okay with crime.
Parking a car.
Okay. Voila! Isn't it beautiful? It's not done. Alright, it's the final step. No idea if this will actually work because I think that they are too big. I need, shoot. What's it called? Like gardening shears.
They have the shears that are meant for snipping sheet metal. You can try those.
These are too big.
Never
I
used
think I
them
can
on
only
plastic,
put like
but
one in.
I could get the shears.
Might need to. Not exactly equipped with the right tools. I have sheet metal pliers. No, not pliers. Oh, I don't know what I'm saying. What are these called? Sheet metal shears and forging gloves. But I think maybe they'll do the trick. Or maybe I'm just murdering cactus. What I'm doing. They're
Doing
too
great.
big.
They're meant for forging heavy metal.
Voila! It's done.
Yay!
Yay! It's not done. It's gonna take a while of me trying to finagle this stuff. That's good enough. And here we have a clade of dinosaurs in their natural habitat.
Through a series of adaptations, these particular dinosaurs evolved the unique anatomy that we see today. The old is gone, making way for smaller, more diverse features. But how long will these non-avian dinosaurs last before they, too, go extinct?